When I started this channel, I had a 500 credit score. Now, one of my credit reports says 725, other one says 750. But today I encountered a problem and I figured, how am I going to solve this problem? And I solved it. It's pretty easy. Some of my available credit was $300. Why 300? Because when I had 500 credit report score, I had to get what I could take and take what I could get. Now I have credit card limits in the 4,000s, 3,000s higher, but I still have satisfactory, outstanding, paid as agrees, $300 available credit. So what's an advanced trick that I use today in order to apply for higher limit credit cards, get pre-qualified for higher limit credit cards, get approved for higher limit credit cards? Simple. I did something crazy, out of the ordinary, wrong. Don't do what I did. And here's what I did. You see this Express card? I ripped it up. I called Express and I said, I don't need your $300 available credit limit. There you go. What else did I do? Right here, Harley Davidson credit card. Called them up, $300. I don't need your $300. It's too low. Threw that away, ripped it up, called them up. What about Good Sam? This little guy right here, same thing. Ripped it up, called them up, said, I don't need your $300. What did I do? What am I trying to do here? I want to create a baseline, okay? We know that there's a baseline that people, credit bureaus, credit issuers, lenders, they want to see. They look at your report, they see a guy who has $300 available on certain cards. Why am I going to give this guy $3,000, $5,000, $10,000? No, would you? If a guy pulls up in a Nissan, are you thinking this guy's a baller? Or if a guy pulls up in a Tesla, is he a baller? He may have a Nissan parked in his garage. He might have a Tesla parked in his garage. But it's all about the background, okay? So what I want to do is I'm going to keep some of my cards that are $500 and up. Now let me show you what happened, okay? So the next thing I did is I went over to Petal because, you got to go over to these places that will give you an idea whether you're going to be approved. You want to go to pre-approval, pre-qualified places. So Petal right here, I was trying to get approved for Petal 2. I got approved for Petal 1. Now it's no longer $300, it's $500 minimum, $3,500 limits. But the good thing about Petal, I'm not quite sure if I'm going to apply for this. After 6 months, they have something called a path to a credit line increase. So that 500, assuming I get that, that's going to increase after 6 months. So that's a great way to build your credit. Now let's go on to the next one. So then I found out that Sam's Club also has pre-approval, pre-qualify. So I went over here and you see I'm approved for Sam's Club. Hey, Felix, congratulations, been approved. You got a credit line increase of $2,500. You'll receive your credit card in 7 to 10 days. There you go. It worked. My advanced secret trick worked. Now, over the next couple of weeks, what I'm going to do is I'm going to move it up, right? So now I have no cards at 300, no cards at 400. I have some cards at 500. As I get higher limits, I'm actually going to close the cards at 500 and see how high I can take this baby. Love you guys.